All right, so a really short video. I had a comment today asking how I ran the wires for my rough country off-road lights. Whole nother video. So I'm just going to quickly show where they are and how I did it. I don't know if it's approved by everybody, but I like it. So I mounted the relay, the plastic separator between the fuse box and the battery. It's mounted in there. Just use a screw I had, or bolt rather, sorry. And then the wiring comes around, the fuse is here. Fuse goes to the positive, negative goes to the frame. And then I ran from the relay all along the back here using zip strips to the firewall over the engine. I went over but behind the brake booster so as to not interfere with my steering, and then through the boot in the back of the firewall with the hanger. You can see where I broke through there. And then I mounted the switch on the inside right under the four-wheel drive selector right here. So it comes out from under the dash. I pulled this down, very easy. You just grab this, pull it down, and now my switch is right here, easily accessible. Hope that's helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more on my truck.